Now let us learn about procedure of transmission of share. Information of the company. Here we have to give intimation about death, intimation about insolvency, and intimation regarding lunatic's unsound mind. Intimation about the death. The legal successor of the shareholder has to inform about the death of the shareholder. Or first shareholder is deceased, that is about the death. In case of a joint shareholder or other shareholders have to inform to the company. Second is intimation about insolvency. When a shareholder is declared insolvent, the company has to be informed by a receiver appointed by the court. Third is about the lunatics or the unsound mind. Here the shareholder is declared unsound mind by the court. His guardian or trustee is appointed by the court. Now this guardian or trustee should inform the company. Second is verification of ownership document. Whenever a company is informed about death, insolvency, lunacy, all the legal documents and authenticity has to be verified by the company. Third is notice issued by a company to the representative. If the company is satisfied with the documents or the letters or the verdicts of the court received from the receiver or the trustee, then it issues a notice to such representative. Fourth is resolution of board of directors. After receiving the reply of notice, board of directors transfers the share to the name of the legal representative and passes a resolution. Once the resolution is been passed, then necessary entry is made in the share transfer register. Fifth is to issue a new certificate and enter the name in the register of members. Resolution is been passed of share transmission. The new member's name is entered into the register of members. The new shareholder or representative are informed to collect the new share certificate. As we learned in the first point, information to the company, here we were informing them about the whether it is a death or insolvency or unsound mind. Then after that, the company will do the verification. So how the verification is being done? On the basis of the legal documents what you have given. Then the third topic was, once the verification is done, the company is satisfied. So they will be giving it issue a notice to such representative, and then board of directors takes a resolution and they will pass the resolution that this person's name can be entered in the share transfer register, and so finally the person's name is entered in the register of members. Let us learn the difference between transfer of share and transmission of share. Meaning, when a shareholder voluntarily passes the property to another person according to the provision of Company Act and of the Article of Association, it is called a transfer of share. Transmission of share is an involuntary transfer because here the person might have an unsound mind, or he is an insolvent, or because of the death the court has been declared. So here this is called transmission of share. Second is circumstances. Share transfer is volunteer. So the shareholder can transfer his share at any time it is his wish. Transmission of share takes place when shareholder dies, or he is declared to be an insolvent, or he is an unsound person. Third is consideration. Transfer of share is effected through a valid agreement. So valuable consideration is obtained. Whereas in transmission of share, the shareholder loses his ownership of shares by operation of law, and his legal representative gets the ownership automatically. Therefore, no consideration is required over here. Now, consent. In transfer of share, both the party is required in the transfer of share for the consent. Whereas in transmission of share, consent is not required. Fifth is stamp duty. Stamp duty. Stamp duty of an appropriate amount is required to be paid on the instrument of transfer. As no consideration is there in transmission of share, stamp duty is not required to be paid. Membership. Membership is obtained by the transferee after the approval of the board of directors, and then his name is entered in the register. Whereas here legal representative is entitled to the right of a member and can claim the dividend. Seventh is procedure. A procedure of board of directors is required following the provision of articles of association, and legal representative sends evidence supporting his rights obtained through court to the company for getting his name registered as member in the transmission of share. Refusal. Board of director may refuse to transfer the share, and refusal is in the interest of the company. Whereas in transmission of share, the directors of the company cannot refuse. Responsibility. The original shareholder does not have any responsibility once the share is being transferred completely. In transmission of share, there is no personal responsibility of the representative. However, he has to accept responsibility arising due to share. Last is right to give to a tribunal. If a company refuses to transfer without valid reason, the shareholder has the right to go to a tribunal. Whereas in transmission of share, the company cannot refuse transmission, so the question of going to tribunal does not arise.